For today, balikan natin yung mga lessons ninyo, especially sa may problem solving para mapaghandaan ninyo yung long quiz ninyo. So, let's start first with a recall for measurement quantities and units. Kasi napansin ko sa mga sinubmit ninyo na output, most of you dito ata nalilito kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung unit na gagamitin sa problem solving. So first, kailangan natin i-enumerate yung mga different quantities and units. Okay? So, first of all, ito yung mga lesson na natackle ninyo nung nasa grade 7 pa lang kayo. So, for example, what is the quantity for length? Can you still recall the quantity for the unit? Rather, for length. How about for mass? And how about for force? Ito yung bago. This one is mass. How about for acceleration? Time. How about velocity? So, itong mga terms na to, very important siya sa lesson natin ngayon. Kasi kung hindi mo alam itong mga units na to, hindi mo masasolve ng maayos yung mga problem solving. So, first one, pag sinabi natin na yung quantities in length, ano yung unit na corresponding sa quantity na length? Of course, kung matatandaan nyo yan, the unit for length is meter. Or, symbolized by small letter m. Now, ang task ninyo before we proceed, i-pause nyo yung video, tapos try nyong sagutan kung ano yung units na nandito sa mass, force, acceleration, time, and velocity. You may now pause the video. Okay, let's check. So, for the mass, yung unit ng mass is in kilogram. Or kg kapag unit siya. How about for force? Yan yung bago na binigay sa inyo. Matatandaan ninyo sa mga past videos natin, the unit for force is Newton. Or big letter N. Pwede din naman na kg, meters per second square. The same lang yan na unit for Newton. Okay? How about for acceleration? What's the unit for acceleration? The unit for acceleration is meters per second square. Wala nang ibang pangalan yan. Basta meters per second square yung binigay na unit for acceleration. Because it is a derived quantity. Unlike meter, meter is a fundamental quantity kasi mag-isa lang siya, meter. Kapag acceleration naman, meron tayong meter which is for length and second. Para saan yung second? Para sa time. Very good. Seconds. Or small letter s. How about for velocity? This one is also a derived quantity, meaning to say, parehas niya si acceleration, which denotes 2 units. Meron siyang dalawang unit, gaya ng acceleration. So, ano yung unit for velocity? That's right, that's meters per second. Wala siyang squared kasi kapag may squared, acceleration yon. So, before we proceed, kailangan memorize nyo tong mga units na to para magawa ninyo ng maayos yung mga problem solving. So, now, ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa mga ginagawa nating mga activity for the past session. Yung mga equations from the Newton's laws. Okay? So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Ano ba yung mga equations na binigay sa atin ni Newton? So, first one, we have inertia. Okay? The law of inertia. May formula ba dyan? Wala. Kasi this one only talks about the mass of an object. Number 2, ano yung meron sa second law? It is the law of acceleration. May formula ba or equation dyan? Meron. So, yung binigay sa atin na formula for the law of acceleration is F is equal to ma, wherein F is equal to the force, or yung unit ng force is, ano ulit yung unit? Newton. Meron din tayong M. M is for mass. What's the unit for mass? Kilogram. And acceleration, or A. Anong unit ng acceleration? Meters per second square. Yan. So, yan yung binigay sa atin for the second law. Now, meron pa tayong isa na law, which is the third law. Tama? Law of interaction. And, yung formula na binigay dyan, ano yung formula? F1 is equal to F2. Or, for every action, there's an equal but opposite reaction. Action is equal to reaction. So, ibig sabihin yan, pwede siyang maging MA and A1 is equal to M2 times A2. Or, magagamit natin yan mamaya sa mga examples natin. Okay? So, now let's proceed to the first problem solving na binigay natin. Marami sa inyo nakakuha ng tama nito. That's why hindi ko na siya binalikan. So, first, for item 1 natin, kunin muna natin yung sample problem 1. So, for item number 1, it says here, mass of 100 kilograms on Earth. What is her weight on Earth? What is her weight on the Moon where the acceleration due to gravity is 1/6 that on Earth? So, yan yung first question natin. So, for this one, ang hinahanap natin is yung weight. Weight sa Earth, yun yung pinaka-first na hinahanap natin. And the second one na hinahanap natin is her weight on the Moon. So, para maging mas simple yung pag-solve natin sa mga equations na to or sa mga problems na ganito, kailangan muna i-enumerate natin yung mga given. So, first one, yung given natin is yung 100 kg. Ano yung 100 kg ulit? Ano yung quantity for the unit na kilogram? This one is for mass. The second given, Earth, what is her weight on Earth? So, yung pinapertain dito is Earth, laging Earth. Dalawang beses siya nabanggit. Ibig sabihin yan, meron tayong isa pang binabanggit, which you can recall dun sa video natin na mass versus weight. Second video natin na binigay yan, which is yung acceleration due to gravity, or AG, which is constant to 9.8 meters per second squared. Ang ibig sabihin ng constant, yung acceleration due to gravity, hindi siya nagbabago. Okay? Yung ginagamit din dyan na symbol minsan is letter G. Pero in this case, gamitin natin yung A sub G para maging mas malinaw sa inyo yung kung saan galing yung equation. Okay, yan yung first na given. Tapos, meron pa tayong second part ng paragraph or yung second sentence sa paragraph. So, what is her weight on the Moon when acceleration due to gravity is 1/6 of Earth? Acceleration in Moon is equal to 9.8 meters per second square divided by 6. Kasi sabi 1/6 eh. Okay, I think nakuha nyo na yan last time. Now, ano yung hinanap natin? Ano yung required? Yung required based on the sentence is first, yung weight niya sa Earth. So, one is her weight on Earth. And second one is her, ano ulit? Her weight on the moon. So, by this time, since ang hinahanap natin is weight, ibig sabihin yan, parehas lang yan sa force. Okay? Gaya ng video natin last time about sa weight, mass versus weight, Newton din yung unit ng weight. So, hindi lang siya force, pwede rin siyang weight. Okay. Ano ba yung formula for weight or for force? Balikan natin sa Newton's equations. Ito yung sa may second law. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. Or, since weight yung hinahanap natin for weight, that is W is equal to mg. Okay? So, yan yung unit natin for weight. So, equation W is equal to mg. Now, para masolve natin yung first na required, ilagay natin yung solution. So, for solution, we have to find for W1, since yan yung first na required natin, is equal to, what is her mass? 100 kilograms. Sinubstitute lang natin yung mass niya. Times, what's the acceleration due to gravity or yung G? Since nasa Earth pa siya, that's 9.8 meters per second. 9.8 meters per second squared. Don't forget yung squared sa taas. So, i-multiply mo lang yan. Ano yung magiging answer? Is equal to 980 kilogram meters per second squared. But, sinasabi natin, force din lang yan, pwedeng maging simplify ito. Magiging W1 is equal to 980 newtons. So, yan na yung final na answer natin for the first. So, W2 naman, W2 is equal to, same pa rin naman kasi hinanap natin, W2 is yung weight lang niya on the moon. Kunin muna natin yung weight niya on Earth. However, sabi nga dito, nagbago yung setting which is nasa moon na siya. Ibig sabihin, yung 9.8 na yan, 1/6 na lang siya. So, ano yung 1/6 ng 9.8? Pwede natin i-shortcut, pero by this time, since 1/6 daw yung magiging weight niya, pwede natin siyang i-over 6. Okay? So, magiging 980 newtons divided by 6. Ano ngayon yung naging weight niya on the moon? Naging 163. Let's proceed for the second item. Okay, so let's continue. You can try to answer this one by pausing the video, tapos i-continue nyo na lang. Okay, so first, ito yung equation. A piece of equipment weighs 539 newtons and 209 newtons on Earth and Mars respectively. What is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars? So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung gravity or yung acceleration due to gravity sa planet Mars. So, ano yung drill natin? Kailangan muna enumerate natin yung given. Yung forces natin or yung weight, which are weight on Earth is equal to 539 newtons and weight on Mars is equal to 209 newtons. Required is acceleration due to gravity on Mars. Ang kailangan natin dito for equation, in third law of Newton's laws, that's the law of interaction. So, etong part na to, magmumukha siya, gagamitin natin para sa problem na to. So, magiging weight 1 is equal to weight 2. However, yung weight 1 natin is yung sa Earth, and then weight 2 natin is dun sa may Mars. So, now ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin mapaghiwa-hiwalay ito. Diba sabi natin, weight is equal to mg. Ngayon, pwede natin gamitin tong mg na to para makuha yung gravity sa may Mars, or acceleration due to gravity sa Mars. Pwede nating hatiin ito, weight is equal to mg, diba? Pero yung hinahanap natin, kailan maging ratio siya. So, ang mangyayari dito, yung meron lang tayo na unit is weight or yung force, and then yung gravity on Earth. Alam natin na constant yung gravity on Earth na 9.8 meters per second square. Yan yung nawawalang given. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng yung equation na W is equal to mg magiging m is equal to W over G. Parang ginamit natin yung magic triangle na binigay natin sa second video, which is yung F is equal to MA or W is equal to mg. So, yung tinanggal lang natin, kinover natin ito, so magiging W all over G. Okay, so dyan galing yung equation. Ngayon, isa-substitute natin tong W over G sa equation na nandyan, na ito. Magiging W E over G, acceleration due to gravity on Earth, is equal to Wm all over the acceleration due to gravity on Mars. So, yan yung magiging final na equation natin. I hope that's clear. Kasi galing lang naman siya sa law of interaction. The same lang siya doon. So now, for solution, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given sa equation. So, what's the weight of the equipment on Earth since WE? That's 539 newtons. So, 539 newtons. How about the acceleration due to gravity? Or the acceleration due to gravity here on Earth? That's 9.8 meters per second. 9.8 meters per second square. Sorry, hindi ko nabanggit yung square, pero lagi niyong tandaan, kapag acceleration due to gravity, meron siyang squared sa taas. Or else, velocity lang siya. Now, the second one, na given, the weight on Mars, meron tayong given dyan, which is 209 newtons. 209 newtons. Ito yung wala tayo. Gravity on Mars, or yung acceleration due to gravity on planet Mars. 539 divided by 9.8. That's equal to 55. So, kilograms na yan. Bakit kilogram? Balikan lang natin para hindi siya confusing sa inyo. I-rewrite ko lang yung equation. So, 539 kilogram meters per second square is equal to 209 kilogram meters per second square all over GM all over 9.8 meters per second square. Actually kasi, kapag pinag-divide natin yan, magka-cancel ito. Okay? So, magiging, ano ulit yan? 55 kilograms is equal to, ito na, 209 kilogram meters per second square divided by Gm, or yung gravity on Mars. Now, since cross-multiply natin yan, ito tataas, tas ito naman bababa. Magiging Gm is equal to 209 kilogram meters per second square all over 55 kilograms. So again, kung nakikita nyo, like terms ito, ibig sabihin, magka-cancel siya. So cancel, cancel. So yung acceleration due to gravity on Mars is 209 divided by 55. 209 divided by 55 is equal to 3.8 meters per second square. So, yan na yung acceleration due to gravity on planet Mars. So, yan. As you can see, ginamit lang natin itong equation na to, yung galing sa third law, which is the law of interaction. Sinubstitute natin dito sa solution. Ito siya. Since missing ito, blank lang siya. Tapos, nag-cancellation tayo ng mga like terms or like na units. Yan. Tapos, yung natira is kilograms na lang. After kilograms na lang yung natira, cross-multiply natin siya. Etong term na to, bumaba siya. Tapos, ito, pumunta sa taas. So, kinombine natin yung like terms. Since numbers ito naman is yung quantity or yung unit na hinahanap natin. Dito siya sa kabila. Tapos, dinivide natin siya. Kinancel ulit natin yung kilogram kasi like term siya. Naging 3.8 meters per second square. Naintindihan nyo ba yung item 2? I hope you did. Kasi may ganito atang item sa first long quiz ninyo. Okay? So, kung di nyo naintindihan, balikan nyo lang siya. I-rewind nyo lang.